Hola chicos, bienvenidos a mi canal, welcome back to my channel. Hoy vamos a hablar de mi familia en español. Today we'll be talking about our families in Spanish. Also, we will learn how to name our family members and use basic sentences to describe them. Vamos a empezar. Let's start. First, let's learn the most common family words, las palabras de la familia. Let's start with la madre o mama. La madre o mama. It's the mother or mom. Then el padre y papá. El padre o papá. For father or dad. This la and el, these are the articles. La is the article for feminine and el is the article for masculine. That's why la madre, el padre. Right? Let's move now. If we want to say the collective ones, then the parents, then for parents we use los padres en español, the parents. Right? Let's move forward. El hermano o la hermana for brother or sister. Hermano for brother, hermana for sister, not hermano, because I told you H is silent in Spanish, so that's why hermano o hermana. O a. Then el abuelo o la abuela for grandfather or grandmother. El abuelo, la abuela. Right? Then again, if we have to say the collective, los abuelos for grandparents. Then let's come to el tío or la tía for uncle or aunt. El tío for uncle और la tía for aunt. और इसको भी अगर कलेक्टिवली बोलना है तो los tíos, right? Then el primo o la prima. El primo o la prima for cousin, male or female. O male, a female. Then el hijo o la hija. Hija, not hija. Hija nahi. H silent. Khota, kh. Hijo, hija. For son or daughter. And collectively we say los hijos for children. Let's move forward. Okay ji, the last one we have is el esposo o la esposa. El esposo for husband and la esposa for wife. So, en una familia tenemos 4 personas. In a family we have 4 persons. La familia, the family. La madre, the mother. El padre, father. El hermano, brother. Y la hermana, sister. I have some very new vocabulary here. Let's see some examples. Mi familia es pequeña o grande. Mi familia es pequeña o grande. My family is small or big. Pequeña for small, grande for big. Then, tengo una hermana y un hermano. Tengo, tener, remember? I have a brother and a sister. Then mi madre se llama Ana. Se llama. Me llamo. Te llamas. Se llama. Reflexive verb conjugations I've taught in the previous video. Please watch it. Se llama Ana. Because mi madre is tercera persona, third person, right? Then mi padre trabaja en una oficina. My father works in an office. Trabaja. देखा verbs हमने टाइम से कर लिए तो काम आ रहे हैं ना यहाँ पे. Now mi abuela vive conmigo. Conmigo means with me. With you means contigo. Conmigo, contigo. Right? Mi abuela vive conmigo. Quiero mucho a mi familia. Quiero mucho. I love my family a lot. This is the verb querer, which means to love in Spanish. Okay, let me give you my example. In my family, we are my parents, my brother, my grandmother, and myself, right? So, en mi familia somos 5 personas: mi madre, mi padre, mi hermano, mi abuela, y yo. I can also say mis padres, mi abuela, mi hermano, y yo. Understood? Here is a quick grammar tip. You remember we use the verb tener, to have, right? So here, tengo un hermano, I have a brother. To talk about your siblings and which one do you have? So tengo dos hermanos, I have two sisters. Now to talk about if you don't have any siblings, no tengo hermanos. I don't have siblings. Hermano, hermana, hermanos, plural, right? No tengo hermanos. I don't have siblings. Okay, that's how we talk about our families in Spanish. Tell me in the comment section, ¿tienes hermanos o hermanas? Or ¿cuántos personas hay en tu familia? Do you have any brothers or sisters? Or how many members are there in your family? I'll read your comments. And also, if you liked my today's session, don't forget to give it a like. Subscribe for more such interesting Spanish lessons and also share it with your friends. Nos vemos en el próximo video. I'll see you in the next video. Adios.